working with you to support collaborative Melfa. IQ Care Melfa Support is a single package after-sales service plan that provides monitoring, inspection and warranty extension for Mitsubishi Electric's industrial collaborative robots. It supports customers in various scenarios such as startup, operation, maintenance, and repair. I want to know the robot's condition at the time of introduction or the robot's daily operating information. Is this something you are concerned about? The monitoring service automatically compiles the robot's daily operating information and monitors the operating information and the conditions of the component parts on a daily basis. Data related to robot operation and maintenance are automatically backed up every day. Robot operating information or controller control information can be visualized in cumulative graph or chart views. This supports analysis of operating conditions or checking whether maintenance is needed. I'm having problems with the robot system suddenly shutting down. Is this something you are concerned about? You can recover the settings for the robot's condition on a specific day from backup data, which helps reduce recovery time. I want to know the timing of robot maintenance before actual operation, such as at the time of introduction. Is this something you are concerned about? The maintenance simulation function calculates the timing of maintenance through simulation in advance. Robot program motion patterns are repeated with the actual equipment or in RT Toolbox 3 to estimate when to replace maintenance parts or when to recommend maintenance. I want to know about abnormalities before the robot suddenly stops. Is this something you are concerned about? The abnormality detection function is a function that detects abnormalities or deterioration of robot component parts at an early stage. It provides error notification before failure, enabling planned parts replacement. The wear level calculation function calculates the wear level of robot component parts based on the operating condition according to robot motion or posture. It reduces sudden downtime by letting you know the time until maintenance inspection and overhaul. The monitoring service is useful for efficient maintenance and predictive maintenance, as well as for quick resolution of problems. I want to keep the robot in optimum condition and maintain stable system operation. Is this something you are concerned about? With the inspection service, a service engineer will visit and perform an inspection. They will check the condition of the robot's inside and controller, and will replenish and replace worn parts. Early detection of abnormal locations through inspection enables replacement of deteriorated parts to be recommended. This helps to keep the robot in optimum condition and maintain stable system operation. 2 inspection plans, light inspection and detailed inspection, are available to meet customer needs. I am worried about repair costs. When the robot system was started up and production started, the warranty period expired. Is this something you are concerned about? The warranty extension service is a service that extends the warranty period included with the purchase of the robot, so that parts covered by the warranty will continue to be repaired free of charge after the original warranty period expires. When the extension period expires, you can purchase another extension to further extend the period. If the robot has not been turned on for more than half a year after delivery, the warranty can be extended for up to 6 months free of charge. In addition, customers who have already purchased a robot and entered into an inspection service plan can purchase the extended warranty service if there are no problems with the robot's condition. IQ Care Melfa Support offers various plans to meet customer needs. The IQ Care Melfa Support software is activated when a dedicated SD card is inserted into the controller. There is no need to purchase additional equipment. IQ Care Melfa Support supports the stable operation of customers' production equipment through the operation, maintenance, and repair of Mitsubishi Electric's industrial collaborative robots.